Hello, future engineers. There is another video in hydraulics, particularly on fluid force on plane surfaces. So before anything else, I would like to suggest three ways for you to prepare for your evaluation, quiz, or your board exam, for you to develop your skills needed for you to be successful in your uh, aim or goal to become engineers in the future. Always do this as your habit of solving the problems. Af- After you see the entire problem statement and the figure, then solve the problem by your own. Then compare your answers with the answers here. The second way is you have to mute the video and you just understand the displayed solution, animated solution, and be able to understand the presented solutions. If you have that power, then power to understand the presented solution, then that's also another best way to prepare to train your brains. And the third one is you may fast forward the video, pause it before it ends, then just like reading a book, you read the solutions and be able also to follow and understand the presented solutions. So those are the three, but for those who cannot make it, al- although that's not good, you have to listen and understand the solution, the narrations, and the explanations. But that's not uh, a good way of preparing yourselves, training your brains. So here we go. This is the problem. The rectangular gate, so this is given, shown, will collapse if hydrostatic force acts above the hinge. What is the maximum height of the rectangular gate HR so that it will not collapse? For A equals 0 and for P equals 0 for part A. So this is A, that's the gas pressure. Then for part B, A is 1, this is 1 meter and the pressure is still 0. And for part C, A is 1 meter and the pressure is 20 kilopascals. So the original problem is in part 29, this is 29A. So I'll present another solution using the pressure diagram. So using the pressure diagram, the figure should look as shown in the figure. So we have here, if there is pressure at A, we have the rectangular part. And since the pressure at the bottom B is greater than that at A, then we have this extra triangular pressure diagram. Take note that the gate is rectangular and this is this solution is good and simple if the gate is rectangular as shown. So this is the location of the hinge. So that means the idea for this rectangular gate not to collapse, the net force or the hydrostatic force, the single hydrostatic force should pass through the hinge or its line of action passes through the hinge so that it will not produce any moment or rotation. But since there are two parts, the triangular part, the pressure here is I call this delta P sub B, which is the difference in pressure between that at A and at the bottom B. And it is HR sine 40 degrees, the vertical distance between them. And since this is water, so the delta PV is specific weight of water, 9.81, or gamma of water, times vertical distance between A and B, which is HR sine of 40. So the forces are FR, rectangle. So this is F, the single force supposedly. For the rectangular part, we have FR, which passes through the centroid, of course, because that's the rectangular pressure diagram. And for the triangular part, its distance from the base or from B along the plate is 1/3 of HR. So pressure at A is 0. This is 1/3 of HR. The force, because the pressure at A is 0, so there is no rectangular pressure diagram. We just put that in general, but it is 0. FR is 0. So what only exists is FT. So therefore, F is equal to FT and it should pass through the hinge. So that is 1 meter should be less than equal to HR. So 1 or greater equal to HR over 3. Because this is HR over 3, FT and F should coincide. They are equal because FR is 0 for part A. So that means HR should be less than equal to 3 meters, just like in part 29. For part B, there is now A, which is 1. So the pressure at A is 9.81 times 1. Pressure is gamma times height. So it is gamma W, kilonewton, kilopascals rather, 9.81 kilopascals. So Ft is volume of this pressure diagram. So Fr is gamma of water times, which is pressure at A, times the area, which is HR times width into the screen of the rectangular gate is, I just call it B. Anyway, we can cancel that. Uh, or FR is the volume of this pressure diagram and the volume is area of this rectangular pressure diagram times width perpendicular to the screen, which is B. So what is the volume? It is P sub A times HR, then times perpendicular to the screen B. So that's the volume interpreted as volume. So gamma BHR. Likewise, FT, which is always fixed for all cases, is equal to 1/2 delta PB times HR times B, or area of triangle times width perpendicular to the board. So 1/2 delta PB and times HR, this is the area of the triangle, then perpendicular to the screen B. So that's the volume. So FT is equal to BHR over 2 and delta PB is specific weight of water times the vertical distance between A and B, which is HR sine of 40, vertical distance between A and B. And that's the delta PB, this quantity here. I just factor out BHR over 2. So simplifying, Ft is 0.32139 gamma of water BHR square. So because F, the resultant, passes through the hinge, that means the moment of the resultant is equal to the sum of the moments of its components. I'll just treat the moment of Ft to be counterclockwise positive and the moment of Fr negative, or we simply equate moment of Ft to moment of Fr about the hinge. By the way, the moment arm of Ft is 1 meter minus HR over 3, while the moment arm of Fr is, because distance from bottom to G is HR over 2, so it is HR over 2 minus 1, the moment arm of Fr. So taking moments about the hinge equals 0, or simply equating moment of Ft with the moment of Fr, Ft times quantity 1 minus HR over 3 is equal to F rectangle gamma of water BHR. This is F of rectangle then quantity moment arm HR over 2, distance from G to B, HR over 2 minus 1. So that's the moment arm. So it is that. So we cancel gamma of water BHR, then distribute. So 0.32139 HR minus 0.10713 HR square equals HR over 2 or 0.5 HR minus 1. Combining like terms and simplifying, we have 0.10713 HR square plus 0.17861 HR minus 1 equals 0. Then using your high-tech calculator quadratic equation, HR should be less than equal to 2.333 meters, just like in part 29. Then in part C, A is 1 and P is 20 kilopascals. So that means the pressure at A is 20 pressure here plus specific weight of water 9.81 times A, which is 1. So P sub A is 20 plus 9.81 times 1, and that is 29.81 kilopascals. FR therefore is volume of pressure diagram, which is P sub A 29.81 times HR, which is this, then perpendicular to the screen B. So that's FR. FT is always this value here. We substitute gamma water 9.81. So FT is 0.32139 9.81 BHR square, and that is equal to 3.1528 BHR square. We then substitute these values into this equation here. Same equation, same moment arm. So 3.1528 BHR squared, that's FT. This is the moment arm, 1 minus HR over 3 equals FR, which is 29.81 BHR. Moment arm is HR over 2 minus 1. So cancel out BHR, then distribute and simplify. 3.1528 HR minus 1.0509 HR squared equals 14.905 HR minus 29.81. So we combine like terms, then simplify. We have 1.0509 HR squared plus 11.7522 HR minus 29.81 equals 0. So solving for HR using our high-tech calculator, it should be less than equal to 2.131 meters, just like in part 29. So that's it for this video.